rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. You got running here?
I have a single 12 LHD4. I have 5 Class D US amps. So I have a 300.4 sitting right behind their seat. A 12 channel Alpine DSP, and there's 2 theater butt shakers under our seats. So the left amp that you saw in the back is going to be running my left doors. The right amp is running the right doors. The bottom one runs the butt shakers, and the top one runs the sub, and then the 300.4 runs my front stage.
Okay, it's kind of like an SQ build, ain't it? Okay. It looks pretty good too right there.
What kind of music do you guys like?
Whatever you got.
Okay. It just started this. I don't know why it's doing this.
It's always hard to get that Bluetooth connection at the show.
It's because my father keeps connecting for some reason. I might delete him.
He got a little close that time, didn't he?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, brother.
You're welcome.
Anywhere they can find y'all on social media anywhere?
So you can find me at C Copriva, which is CKOPRIVA 01 on Instagram. We also have a Facebook fan page called US Amps fan page.
Okay, there's y'all. Okay, that is y'all page. Okay, I'm gonna be sure to tag them down below. That's the new amps y'all just came out with right there.
Yeah, there's gonna be the Merlins. The Merlin's gonna be sitting back there. These are still prototypes.
Okay, so it's gonna be a little while before they come out.
Yeah, it's gonna be about 2 to 3 months.
Okay,
they're only 2 channels.
Man, it's good seeing y'all out here. I'll see y'all back on the next one, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank y'all. Sounded great. Oh, it's all right.
And then I can control this.
Oh, you will.
What color do you guys like?
Whatever you got. Oh, yeah.
some lights right there.
They're all hooked up to one LED. One LED strip.
Well, we'll keep in touch with y'all, man. Sure
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Thank y'all.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.